So I know you've been hearing it. If you're over 40, you need to start a YouTube channel. I get it. What about if you're over 50 or over 60? Or in my case, I'm 70 years old. I still need to start a YouTube channel. But I know it can be challenging because I know that there's a lot of tech involved. I know that sometimes it can just be overwhelming because there's so many moving pieces. Well, if you're one of these people like me and you finally realize, you know what, I'm ready to hop on board, I'm ready to start my own channel, then this is going to be a good place for you to be. What I'm going to do on this channel is share with you my entire journey from A to Z. Now, if you'll notice, I started this channel back in 2009, and y'all, I was 55 years old at the time. I didn't even realize I was an old YouTuber back then, but apparently I was. But after 5 years of starting the channel, I stopped because I wasn't using it for anything. I had no idea about, I don't even know if monetization was around at that point. It might have been, but I didn't know. What's my point? Right now, I'm in the same shoes that you are. I'm ready to start, and I'm ready to learn, and I'm ready to grow, and I'm ready to share with you my whole entire journey. Now, do I believe this is going to work for me? I absolutely do. Otherwise, I wouldn't be on here talking about it, right? And I absolutely believe this is going to work for me, and I believe it can work for you too. But the good part of this is that I'm not a guru getting on here telling you, oh, you can start a YouTube channel and this is going to happen for you and you're going to make this amount of money and you can get 1,000 subscribers overnight and all this kind of stuff, because that hasn't happened, right? I am starting this channel from 15 years ago as though it's a brand spanking new channel. So you're going to have an opportunity to watch my journey. I'm going to be sharing with you all the steps that I'm taking. I'm going to be sharing with you all the equipment that I'm using, all the things that it takes to make this YouTube journey a success. So whether you're brand new and thinking about starting, or you've already started but you're stuck somewhere, then this will be great for you. If you've been around for a while and you already know the ins and outs and all of that, still stop by and encourage those of us that are just getting started. But I am inviting you to not just watch my journey, but why not hop on and let's do it together? And I think it's going to be fun. But the beauty of it is, as I said, everything that I'm learning, everything that I'm doing, I'm going to be sharing it all with you. So if any of this sounds of interest to you, I invite you to hit that subscribe button, join me in this journey, and let's go make some magic happen together.